In this video, I'll be discussing 5 most profitable YouTube niches that will surely make you wealthy. Stay until the end of the video to find out what they are. First, you need to know what CPM and RPM are. CPM, short for cost per mille, represents the price advertisers pay for 1,000 ad impressions. In other words, it's the cost advertisers pay for every 1,000 times their ad is shown to viewers. This number is crucial because it affects how much money you can earn from advertising on your channel. RPM, short for revenue per mille, represents the total revenue you earn per 1,000 views. This is a key metric that shows how much money you're making from all revenue sources on YouTube, including ads, subscriptions, and other income streams. How does this impact your channel? Well, a higher CPM usually means higher earnings per view, while a higher RPM indicates more efficient utilization of all income sources. I hope that's clear. Firstly, the most profitable YouTube niche is making money online. A large number of people come to YouTube to learn how to create additional income sources online. Many YouTube creators are willing to share their expertise. On average, creators in this niche achieve the highest CPM of $13.52. Some sub-niches can be even more profitable. Content focused on making money through affiliate marketing can reach high CPM rates, up to $22. Here are a few channels that create such content. Next in line, digital marketing has the second highest earning potential on YouTube. Social media marketing channels, for example, achieve average CPM rates of $12.52. This is not surprising, as digital marketers know how to present and sell their work through YouTube SEO, for example. They also target an audience of entrepreneurs and small businesses, making them a valuable demographic for advertisers and sponsors. Here are a few channels dedicated to digital marketing. Another niche that deals with finances, personal finance and investments. Unlike the previous two, channels dedicated to personal finance focus less on making money through effort and improved marketing. Instead, they provide advice on how to wisely manage and invest the money you already have. Creators in this area offer useful guidance on everything from stock market terminology to earning through cryptocurrencies. With CPM rates reaching up to $12, these creators achieve some of the highest CPM rates on the YouTube platform. Here are a few YouTube channels that cover this topic. Another highly profitable area is tech, cars, and gadgets. Whether you're reviewing the latest iPhone, doing a comparison of Nikon and Fuji cameras, or testing a new Ferrari, advertisers love tech-related content. However, within this niche, there are different CPM rates. For example, content creators focusing on photography may see high CPM rates of around $7.31, while the average CPM rate for channels dedicated to cars is around $4.32. For general tech channels, advertisers invest $2.39 for 1,000 ad impressions. However, it's important to consider one thing if you're thinking about joining this niche, and that is associated costs. Even if your earnings are higher, you often need to invest in the technology you're reviewing or comparing before you start making income. One of the most beloved types of YouTube content is the lifestyle niche. Viewers enjoy following the travels and careers of others, peeking into their homes, and staying updated on their relationships. On average, YouTubers focused on lifestyle can expect CPM rates of $3.47. It's important to note that there's a lot of variation and strong competition in this area. After all, in this niche, there's a wide range of lifestyle creators, from those documenting their adventures in luxurious villas to students sharing their college experiences. What makes this niche special is the personality of the experiences people share. This creates a sense of connection and community. Viewers may not aspire to the same lifestyle, but many seek inspiration in the lives of others. And where products and services come into play, there's room for advertisers and monetization. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video, where we explored the most profitable YouTube niches that can truly boost your earnings. Let me know in the comments which video you'd like me to create next. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.